Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Glow Empress and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this Louis Vuitton nail look. So jumping into the video, first I'm pushing back my cuticles using this little wooden cuticle pusher. Now I'm clipping all my fingernails down using a straight clipper. Now I'm filing down the free edge so it's nice and smooth. Using the same nail file, I'm quickly buffing over my natural nails to get rid of any shine and any leftover cuticle on my nail. Doing this will make your nails last longer and it will prevent lifting. Here I'm using my nail dehydrator and this just takes off any excess oil left on your nails. And this is the LED/UV nail primer. This bonds your nails with the gel that you're gonna apply later on. After you apply an even coat to each of your nails, you're gonna cure under the lamp for 60 seconds. So this is my builder gel. It's by Gelish that I'm going to be using today. So I'm gonna use this to actually glue the tips onto my nails, and then later on I'm gonna use it to build the nail. So after I apply all the tips and cure them under the lamp, I'm matching them up to my other hand to make sure that they're the same length. Now I'm using the straight nail clippers to trim down the sides a little. This will cut down on the filing after because I want a coffin shaped nail. So this is the acrylic powder I'm going to be using today. Today I'm going to be doing the dip method. So I'm going to apply a thin layer of the gel, and then using my clippers, I'm gonna pour the acrylic on top of the gel and then cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm going to repeat this step 2 to 3 times on each nail to build up the thickness that I want. So these are my nails after applying about 3 layers, and I'm going to file and shape them off camera. Now I'm applying a no wipe top coat and curing in my lamp for 30 seconds. So today I decided to do a French tip, and I'm showing you the products I'm using. I'm just using a thin striper brush to create the curve. So from here on, it's optional. Like, you could do whatever design you want, whatever color you want. This is just what I'm doing today. But if you want to recreate my look or see how I created it, just keep on watching. So while I was filming, I didn't realize that I was out of the frame, so I do apologize for that. It's super annoying because I really wanted to show you guys how I created this look. But yeah, hopefully you guys still like this video. Okay, so to stick my gems onto my nails, I'm using a diamond gel. After I glued on all my gems, I did go back in and apply one layer of top coat. But that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.